What is up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and welcome to this episode on keyword research tips. The question of this video is how to search for keywords on a website. Again, that's how to search for keywords on a website. So that question, it's a little bit vague. They're asking how to search for keywords on a website. So that kind of makes me think about, someone's looking at a website and they're trying to find what keywords that page or that site may be about, or maybe they're trying to look at a competitor site and they're trying to figure out what keywords are being used on that site or on that page. It could also suggest, how do I search for keywords on a topic, right? So it could just be a general keyword research question. So I'm going to go ahead and answer both questions at the same time with Google AdWords Keyword Planner. That is by far the best way to go. It is the most cost-effective thing and most accurate, I believe. So if you're already in Google Ads, you already know how to get the Keyword Planner. Feel free to skip ahead a bit in the video. If not, I'm going to briefly tell you, go do a Google search for Google Ads, and you'll see the first organic result is ads.google.com. When you go there, you'll need to start now or sign into an existing Google account and then begin setting up your Google Ads account. So once you're in your Google Ads account, right now we're looking at one of my alternate accounts, and you'll go to Tools, and over here under Planning, you'll see Keyword Planner. So in the Keyword Planner section, and by the way, when you're setting up your Google Ads account, they're going to prompt you to put payment information in and to set up an ad. Go ahead and just rush through that whole process, and once you're finished, you can pause the ad so you don't have to actually spend any money to get to the back end. Okay, if you want to see the actual search volume, you're going to have to spend at least a little bit of money on an ad, and I'll explain how to do that in a cost-effective way in a little bit here. But let's get back to this. So once you're on this Keyword Planner page, you can click on Discover New Keywords, and for the purpose of this case study here, this video, I've just grabbed a random pest control company from doing a search on pest control here in Fort Worth. I've grabbed their URL. So when I paste the URL, you can see I have some options. I can search the entire site, I can search this page only, or I can search for this string as a keyword. So it's going to depend on what you want to do. If you want to look at the keywords just for a page, or if you want to look at the keywords for an entire site, right? In this case, let's do the entire site and then click Get Started. And as you can see, a lot of keywords for pest control, but then very specifically associated with Fort Worth, which is where the company is located. And that's really it. If you wanted to find the keywords for an external website, this is the easiest way to do it. And if you're looking for keywords for your site or for your niche, for your industry, then be aware that in this space you can put, for every single search job, Keyword Planner search job that you perform, you can enter one single URL, and you can enter up to 10 keyword seeds. So if I were doing a search on pest control, I could do a search for rodent control, exterminator, pest control, sheep pest control, all these different permutations, up to 10. Okay, so the more you put in, the better, the more relevant, the more vast your list is going to be. And you can actually export this list and go over to getivan.com, and there, under the keyword, if you do a search on keyword research, I actually have a template that's designed to import data from Google Keyword Planner into the template and into a Google Sheets file. And it's a lot easier to manage the data. It's all color-coded and everything, so feel free to check that out sometime. It's totally free. So the most cost-effective way to set up an ad is to choose something really simple and to set a really low daily budget. So you can set 50 cents a day or 25. Some types of ads won't let you set lower than a certain amount of money, but I have some ads that are just barely paying anything out, like some video ads. And so as long as you're paying for some kind of ad, then you will be able to see exact match search volume in the keyword research. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.